Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys a couple fixes that you can try to fix the lag or high ping or packet loss issue that you get with Rainbow Six Siege on Steam. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So there are a couple things that you guys can try to alleviate the high ping when you're playing competitively on Rainbow Six or R6. And first, let's give you a bit of insight on why you're actually lagging. Now, this actually has mostly to do with Ubisoft servers. Now, it's not to say that their servers are bad, or I should say, um, not up to spec with the game. It more has to do with their matchmaking algorithm, and the reason for that is because they didn't really do a good job of optimizing the game's matchmaking. So this way, when you queue for a game, they'll just place you in a random lobby that's not optimal on your PC. So let's say that you're living in Japan, and then you queue for a game, and then they'd put you in a lobby somewhere along Oceania, so Australia. So it goes without saying that you would lag this way. So this is mainly because of their matchmaking algorithm. So the way to fix it, I'll be teaching you guys just how to do it. You can either change your region once you're on the Uplay launcher, or better yet, the ultimate solution. Although this does come with a paid option as well as a free one, is to use a VPN. Now, if you guys go to the discussion board of Rainbow Six on Steam, you'll see that if I type down packet loss or just packet, a lot of people are actually talking about it. So there's 43 pages worth of discussions on the forum for the player base. So people talking about packet loss. So if you check your ping, it's the servers usually. So they're talking about it right now. This one was just very recent, a couple of months ago. Lag and packet loss. So this is 100% because of Ubisoft's matchmaking system, and a lot of their games actually suffer from the same issue. An example of it would be For Honor. So the fix for this, honestly, is to simply use a VPN. Now, if you guys use a VPN, you would want to select a region that matches where you guys live or somewhere closer. So if you're living in Hong Kong or Singapore, then you would want to set your regions accordingly to the corresponding option. And when you do, you'll find that your matchmaking times are much faster and you wouldn't get any more packet loss. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully this helps you guys out, and if it does, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.